Today's first reading is from the book of Joshua. After Moses, Joshua became the leader of people of Israel. And today's reading is the last discourse of Joshua to people of Israel. No new message, the same message which Moses gave to them before his death, Joshua tells them in his own words. He tells them, only worship, love, and serve Almighty God. You should not have any other gods in your life. If you have any other gods, take them out. Remain faithful to Him. Remember what He has done to you and to your ancestors. He brought out your ancestors from the slavery of Pharaoh, from Egypt. He is a kind God. He is a forgiving God. Love Him. And Joshua died at the age of 110. The message of Joshua is also relevant to us even today. Many a times we create our own gods in our life. Our wealth, our studies, our riches, our social status, and so on. And we give second or third place to God. The reading reminds us the first place should be reserved only to Almighty God.